I'm going to show you how to do a t-test now. The purpose of a t-test is to determine if these two groups of numbers are significantly different. So here are 8 participants, or are the 8 people who are depressed and who are participating in therapy. This is the pre-test depression scores time 1, and here are the post-test depression scores time 2 after they received therapy, after the 6 weeks of therapy. And so what we want to see is, did therapy make a difference? Are these two groups of numbers significantly different? And the t-test would show us that. So to do that in Excel, it's really easy. You just hit an equal sign and start typing in a t-test. Now Excel knows what I'm doing, and so it just pops up with the t-test. And then the first thing I do is I hit in a parentheses, and then it gives me the instructions. Array 1 is the first data set. So I begin to highlight and click and drag the first data set. Then I hit comma, then I do array 2, which is the second data set, and you can see it says pre-test and post-test. It's identifying it because I have labels. Then you hit comma 2, comma 1, and then close parentheses. I can explain another time why I put comma 2, comma 1. You can just put that and then hit enter. And then you get the answer.